it doesn't matter the amount of people you're influencing. It doesn't matter how small your sphere of influence. A leader is not somebody who stands up on the stage and speaks. That is a leader. That's one type of leader. Not everybody is going to be that type of leader, and it is fine. There are single mothers out there. I'm saying that because they are maybe unknown, looking after their children, serving, just working, a decent job and going home. They are a leader. People watch them. Any true believer knows that they're being watched, because if you've ever faltered, if you've ever done something publicly that probably brings into question or brings into disrepute, who you're serving. This happened more when I was younger, when I first got saved, when I was like 16 to 17. But I remember I swore one time. I don't know if it was a major swear word as well. I don't know if it was like F-bombs. I think it could have just been that sugar honey iced tea. And then the person said, "Oh my God, I was just so disappointed in you." She was just very surprised. And I think I was a bit irritated, but in that moment I realized that, whoa, I didn't know I was being watched like that. It's happened a few occasions